Hi everyone and welcome. Today let's make a quick, light and fluffy oven sheet pancake with almond and coconut flours and a cup of berries to go with our morning coffee. I have my ingredients ready. Let's set the oven to heat to 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's put parchment paper in a baking tray and oil it. I am using a tray 29 by 29 centimeters. You can double the amount of ingredients for a full-size baking tray pancake. Whatever is left over from breakfast can be stored in the fridge and eaten over the next few days. Let's mix all the dry ingredients in a bowl. I'm adding 80 grams almond flour, 30 grams coconut flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and mixing it all. Now let's break 4 eggs in a separate bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and beat them till the eggs are fluffy and doubled in volume. Let's add 50 grams of soft, unsalted butter to the eggs and mix it in. Now comes 150 grams of sour cream. And we mix it in as well. It will be quite a lot of stirring to get the batter smooth with a spoon, therefore I will use the electric mixer. The butter and sour cream have been mixed well, so let's add the dry ingredients in the bowl now and mix everything well and make sure there are no lumps in the batter. Let's pour the batter in the baking tray and level it. Now let's sprinkle berries on top of the pancake. You can use fresh berries. I did not have any, therefore I defrosted a cup of a mix of red berries and I'm putting them on the pancake, trying not to put too much of the berry liquid. And put the pancake in the oven to bake for about 20 to 30 minutes till it looks lightly and nicely brown. Remove the pancake from the oven, let it cool for a few minutes, cut, and enjoy your breakfast. Thank you for joining me today and see you next week. Bye!